So now let's see how we can import slides from other presentations inside of Google Slides. So over here you can see that I already have a blank presentation, and if I want to insert slide right here, I need to go to File and then I need to click on Import Slides. Once I do that, I get two options. I can go around and insert existing presentations. Let's say, for example, I want to insert this one. I just select it. This is saved in my Google Slides account itself. So I'm just going to select this and click on Select. Once I do that, what happens is that the Import Slide options is there. So I can keep the original theme or not import the theme. I can go ahead and select the slides that I want to import. Let's say I just want to select out the first one. So I'm just going to select that one and click on Import Slides. Once I do that, what happens is that the slide gets imported just like that. Another way to import slide is to go to File and click on Import Slides. And then what I can do is I can click on Upload. Once I do that, what I can do is I can drag the file here, right here. So I'm in my desktop. I can drag it right here, just like this. Or I can click on the button right here and then browse out. So I'm just going to browse out around onto desktop. And this is my PowerPoint file, Microsoft PowerPoint file. So I'm just going to open this out. So the slide gets uploaded, as you can see right there. So once it gets uploaded, it'll get processed and I can choose the slides again. So you can see that the import slides pop up. So these are the number of slides. So let's say I want to import this and then I want to import this and this. So I selected 3 of these and I'm going to keep the original theme for this one and I'm going to click on Import Slides. So what that does is it imports those 3 slides over here. So you can see that I got this with the same theme right over here. So I got 2 slides combined. And that is how you can import slides inside of Google Slides. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.